Hey everybody and welcome to the PlantStock channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Jesse. A little over a week ago, I had an interesting interview with Jacob from JKR Investing. Our main focus was on TTCF and BYND, but we actually had a subscriber question regarding the Very Good Food Company. And it was about 5 to 6 minutes when we talked about the company, and I thought that could be a little golden nugget for you to focus on if you haven't seen the video already. In the video, I tried to build a case why Jacob maybe should start talking about the Very Good Food Company on his channel. So let's see if I managed to do that. Also, I just wanted to give you a heads up that I have finally gotten hold of Daniel from the Fire Grind channel, who is one of the first people who actually talked about the Very Good Food Company over a year ago, and has actually had 1 or 2 interviews with the CEO, Mitchell Scott. So it does seem that we're going to sit down and have a chat soon, and we're just trying to work on the dates. So if that's something that you're looking forward to and you want to ask Daniel some questions, let me know down in the comments. Well, then I'll let you to it and watch the video with Jacob from JKR Investing. And please let me know down in the comments what you thought about what we talked about. One question from a subscriber is from my channel. Have you heard about the Very Good Food Company?
Yes, I have. Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard about it last year, and I was going to start doing some quick research into it, and I think the share price just went poof. And I went, right, that's it. I'm not going to waste my time looking on this company. I think it went up. I can't remember how much it went up, but it went up a lot. I remember it went up a lot.
I went into it when it was around $2 Canadian. That's when I put in most of my money into it, and then it went up to $9 in a couple of days or weeks. Something it went crazy quick.
Yeah, it was something crazy, and it was interesting to me. And then the price went like that, and I was like, "That's me, that's me done."
That's understandable. I mean, now it's down to around in Canadian dollars. It's around a four right now.
Right.
But the interesting part with that, from a PS ratio, it doesn't make sense at all, right? Because it is, I think, around 100 in PS ratio, because they got about 4.6 million in revenue for last year, and now it's about 400 million in market cap. So it's pretty high, but they're making they have one facility now that they open up that's going to 37x their production capacity, and then another one that they're opening up in California, in the Patterson facility, that's going to be another 100 million. And because they only had, for when you look at the e-commerce site or their stores where they sell their products. Well, especially the e-commerce, you had to wait from a year ago about 6 to 8 weeks to get the production, because people in Canada, it's a Canadian company, were crazy about this product, because when people talk about this, comparing it to other plant-based burgers out there, they really love this one because it's basically a Whole Foods approach too. It's a lot healthier on paper than Beyond Meat and Impossible Burgers, and people seem to love them. And what I find really interesting is they're so much larger on the digital platforms than Tattoo Chef. I mean, Tattoo Chef has about 30,000 on Instagram or something like that. This little company that is this little has 70,000 on Instagram now.
Wow.
Yeah, and about 70,000 on Facebook. So when it comes to how people love this product, it's crazy when you look at the reviews. So, and that is, they had a facility before, their original could only create like 1 million, about 1 million, 1.3 million in this meat alternatives per year. Now the one that opened up in Vancouver can go up to 37 million in production capacity. That's a 37x in production capacity. And they feel that they're going to reach that probably within the end of the year. Because they're making deals now all over the US also. And the production capacity in California facility is going to have about 98.5 million in production capacity when those open up. And and obviously that's going to take a couple of years before they're selling that. But it does seem possible that they'll be selling for around 30 to 40 million pounds per year now in the year to come. So that would basically mean that they could probably get within a few years, I would say within 2 to 3 years, maybe earlier, they could probably sell about 100 million in revenue, if not more, which would make from the PS ratio today down to 4. So this is the kind of company that's really way before Wall Street, and so
Sounds like they're making the right moves, though.
yeah, it does. So now what's his name? Jeremy has talked about him a couple of times, and Meet Kevin had an interview actually a couple of months ago with the CEO. So
Right.
so I do see them becoming really large with time. So that's why I asked about it, because this, one of my subscribers was like, "Well, can't JKR Jacob start making videos about them?" Getting
Yeah,
them.
well, you know what? With the share price drop and with what information you said, it does sound interesting.
Yeah.
Might be worth to give it the look that I didn't give it a few last year when it went and I missed it.